It's a lifting solution. You're not just selling us a crane and be like, get on with it, there's your crane.
We're selling you a crane vehicle. You know, it's a lot more than this.
Actually being here and seeing the product, seeing the quality of the product, actually using it, like it's massive, like it changes everything. You have lifting solutions. Right now, I'm hearing that you are also doing bodybuilding. So you're bringing a lot of processes in-house. So you're bringing all these processes in-house. What does that mean for a customer and an operator? Are you trying to perfect these? You're bringing it all so you can bring it all together and create, you know, I won't say the perfect crane.
Absolutely.
but what does it mean for somebody like me, what Palfinger are doing?
Yeah. Look, in general, you know, today, if we look at a crane, what we actually achieve or what we want to do is, or currently do, is that we actually cover one part of your end-to-end value creation process you do. You know, you drive, you load, you upload, and the crane is actually only covering one step. It's loading, unloading.
Yes.
But if you look at the total process of how you create value for yourself, it's a lot more. It's driving, it's ordering parts, it's maintenance, it's service, and all those kind of things. So for us, when we talk about solution, of course we want to actually build a system which contains multiple things, you know, the vehicle, the crane, and accessories and all those kind of things.
So that's why you list crane supplier and a lifting solution differently. You see, when I'm looking at the two, I think I'm saying the same thing, but I'm not, am I?
We really want to become still, you know, the best crane supplier and, you know, developing the best cranes, but we want to look at the customer from a different perspective, not just saying, hey, you want to lift something up there, or you want to move a you know, container somewhere, or...
So it's also a complete lifting solution.
Exactly, and the most important thing for us is that we need to get close to you as a customer to understand what's your job to be done, your value creation. So we can really design the right systems together so they're integrated with the vehicle and so on. And that's number one. And the second is really when we look at how cranes or lifting systems are integrated at the vehicle, there's a lot of optimization potential. The crane itself is very optimized over the years. There's not so much more we can do. Of course, there's a lot of electronics and control system we are developing, but there's huge potential in bringing the vehicle and the lifting system much closer together, and not just you know, screw together, connect. We need to move from connecting to integration. And integration is completely different. It's, you know, designing things so they work together.
So you're looking at it separate, as in integrating the crane is the next step.
Yeah, exactly. Right. And it's on the mechanical side, but it's also on the electronic side. You know how a crane is communicating with the vehicle. Think about moving to electric vehicles. You're driving with an electric truck in your tour from A to B. Then you're on a construction site and you load and unload. At this point, you need to know how much energy is the crane actually consuming from your battery. So you still know you can drive home. You know, how would you do this? We need to interact with the vehicle. The communication interfaces needs to be a lot stronger, aligned with the OEMs. That's what we believe, you know, is integration, because connecting is screwing things together, plugging things in. This is not enough anymore.
I can understand, because within my business, we originally started just doing waste. But when we're doing waste, we realize that we can also use the same vehicles and we can find another use. So we supply material. But then I saw my customers, and I believe that my customers also need concrete. So we tried to provide an entire solution, and I believe when we can do everything in-house, we can provide a much better service. So that's the way I completely understand.
We are integrating our systems in your ecosystem, and it's not just the crane anymore. It's the crane, it's the vehicle, and a lot of things.
It's a lifting solution. You're not just selling us a crane and be like, get on with it, there's your crane.
We're selling you a crane vehicle only. No, it's a lot more than this.
Okay, now I understand the difference.
Okay, cool.